This is Kevin for the cable tester project. For this project, I'm using the resistor that is navy blue, gray, and brown and gold. Alright, so if we just test this LED and resistor, the light does light up. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it is lit. Alright, so now that we have that, we will now add the cable. Alright, now starting from the battery, we have an alligator clip going from the positive of the battery to the resistor, and then from the resistor we go to the sleeve of the TS cable, and then that sleeve will go to the other side of the TS cable, which will just go through here and come back to this side, which then the tip will make the LED light. And I know it's kind of hard to see the LED lit, so I'll turn the lights off. And that is my cable tester project.